how to create an Airwallex account. So just go ahead to any preferred browser and search for their website, Airwallex, and go ahead here into login or see a demo option. Anyways, once you're here, you're gonna find the login section. You'll find the sign up option in the very bottom. Since you wanna go ahead and create an account, you're gonna press on sign up. So first of all, get started with your email. So what's your business email? You go ahead and put it over here. And if you'd like, you can consent to receiving marketing communications from Airwallex. So go ahead and press on get started once you're set from there. Now here you're going to answer a few questions like how big is your company, how much transaction volume do you expect to receive, and what is your primary area of interest in Airwallex. So choose from the available options on these over here, and any other solutions that interest you. This is optional, so you can just go ahead and skip. Now you're going to put in your legal first name and your legal last name, and finally the password for your Airwallex account. Next, you're going to put in your business name, your business headquarter, and your mobile number. Then you're going to have to verify the number you placed, and now you can activate your account or you can explore your dashboard. But that's pretty much it. Your account is ready and you can do either of those options, and you'll have an account to set up later and do whatever in your dashboard. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.